Hey girl, welcome and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to show you how I style my hair, how I style my TWA. I know this video is long overdue. I have been promising that for quite some time now, but today is the day. So if you are interested, keep on watching. Alright, so let's get this party started. Let's go ahead and get into the styling. My hair is already prepped. It's washed, deep conditioned, detangled. I did a whole wash day routine for you guys last week. If you haven't seen that one yet, check the description box. It will be linked for you down below. But let's go ahead and get into the styling. Now, what I'm using to style my hair today is coming from Adwoa Beauty. I am going to be using their Bailment Leave-In Conditioning Styler. And then I am going to follow up with the curl defining gel. I have used those products on my channel before, but that's when my hair was actually longer. So it's kind of different, but still the same. I will link those videos for you as well in the description box, but let's go ahead and do this thing. All right, so I have this plastic cap on just so that I could retain the moisture in my hair so that my hair would not dry out. But I also have my spray bottle so that I can spritz my hair with water, because one thing with this gel, it does say that you have to use it on sopping wet hair. So I always have my spray bottle to spray my hair just so that I can make sure that I am doing this properly. So if you don't know why I use warm water, just make sure you check that wash day routine video because I explain it all in there. Okay ladies, so styling my hair is very simple. I try to keep it as simple as my wash day. So if you're looking for simplicity, you are in the right place. So besides the styler, I'm using a spray bottle filled with warm water to re-wet my hair as needed. Then I apply my leave-in conditioner. I don't apply too much of it, as you can see, and a little bit of this goes a long way. I just make sure that I apply it all over my hair and I work it in very good. And then once I'm done with that, I grab my paddle comb from Cosmology. Remember, I do have a coupon code for you guys if you want to try this out. Just check the description box. But I grab my paddle comb and I comb it through my hair. This helps to distribute the product even better so that I don't leave any strands untouched. Once I'm done with that, that's when the real fun begins. So besides my spray bottle filled with warm water, I also have some hair clips that I use. This will help me keep the hair that I'm not using out of the way. What I do is I go ahead and I section my hair and I tuck away the rest that I'm not using with the clips that I just showed you. I then again grab my spray bottle and re-wet that section. Remember, we need to be working on sopping wet hair for this to properly work as per the directions on the container. Then once I'm done, I get some gel and I warm it up into the palms of my hands. Then I proceed to applying it onto the section hair. And I make sure I smooth it onto my hair first. Then I use my fingers to rake it in. I take my time to rake it into my hair until I feel like the product is really worked into it. But it really only takes a few seconds. Once I'm done with that section, I repeat the same steps throughout my entire head until I am completely done. I used to clip the section that I was done working on as well, but I found that it would leave some dents into my hair, which was hard for me to correct. So now once I'm done with a section, I just leave it as is. As I am showing you the step again in the back of my hair, just notice that I am not using too much gel, because just like the leave-in conditioner, a little bit of this goes a long way. And me being the queen of product overload, I can definitely tell you when you use too much product, all you end up with is buildup and flakes in the morning, and it's not cute. So remember, just a little bit of this goes a long way. Now for the fun part, I love to give my head a good shake once I'm completely done. It allows me to remove the excess product from my hair, but it also helps me separate the coils. This step you can definitely skip it if you want to. It's not a necessity and it can get you slightly dizzy. I just find that it works great for me, so I like to do it. So this is how my hair looks when it's all done and I give it a good shake and it's still wet. I'm going to turn around so you guys can see the whole thing. Notice here I use more than half of the water that's in the spray bottle, and my hair is very short, so if your hair is longer, you most definitely will need to use a lot more water than that. Just always keep in mind that you need to be doing this process on dripping wet hair. Now after I'm done with all of this, it's time for me to dry my hair. I own a salon style hooded dryer, which is my preferred method. If you want to air dry your hair, you can do that too, but I prefer sitting under the dryer. It allows me to do other things like braiding like you see here, but the process for drying my hair usually takes me about an hour, with my hair being at this length. So here we are, guys. This is a couple of days later. My hair is fully dry and it is super defined and it is super soft. When I wake up in the morning, what I do is I remove my bonnet and I grab my pick so I can fluff my hair out a little bit. And I also make sure that I brush my sides just so that everything can look good. This has been my routine ever since I cut my hair back in December. If you are one of those people who don't like crunchy wash and goes, I think this gel would work great for you. I will have it linked for you in the description box if you want to get that, and as well as all the other products and the tools that you saw me use today. Don't forget you can get a few dollars off of your Cosmology purchase, so make sure you check the description box for the code. But if you guys have any questions or you have any video suggestions, leave them for me in the comment section down below. You know I love to hear from you and I answer to all my comments. Don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed today's video, and also turn on those notifications so you know when I post my next upload. In the meantime, I do have tons of videos already on the channel. I will have some suggestions for you right here on the screen. Be sure you check them out. Thank you so very much for hanging out with me today, and I will catch you in my next one. Mwah. Hi.